Welcome to another awesome video. It's called Maverick here. So I'm here with another platform where you can make money from just by completing tasks. So it's very easy to go about this platform, so stay tuned until the end of this video because I'll be withdrawing also in this video. You understand? So first of all, the name of this site, as you can see, DOI USD, and this platform is where you can earn yourself USDT. Do you understand? So first of all, you have to check their VIP systems, and they have lists of VIP levels. Do you understand? So starting from the VIP level 1, you see it goes down to level 10. You understand? So when you unlock the VIP level 1, you'll be unlocking it for about 4 USDT. You understand? And then you'll be claiming 1.6 USDT every single day. You understand? So the total profit is going to be 168 USDT on total. You understand? So don't sleep on this. You understand? So the VIP level 2, you'll be earning 5 USDT every single day, and the VIP 3 you'll be earning 60 USDT every day, and the VIP 4 you'll be earning 48 USDT every day. So that's that. It goes on. So as you can see, I'm on the VIP 1 where I'll be earning 1.6 USDT every day. So when you check the amount of USDT it will take to unlock whichever level you want, then you go over to recharge, which is over here, and over here you choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit to it. You can use the USDT TRC20. So when you are here, you can just copy the address and then go over to your wallet, send your desired amount of crypto, desired amount of USDT into this wallet address here. You understand? So when you sent it, the platform is automatically going to confirm your deposit. Do you understand? So when your deposit has been confirmed, you can now go over to the VIP, which is over here, and unlock the VIP you want to be available for you. Just click on the unlock now, and that's basically it. You understand? So when you've deposited on this platform, all you have to do is go over to the task, which is over here. Just go over to the task, and then so over here you'll be getting the number of tasks you're going to complete. You understand? All you have to do is click on this to complete, and you're going to wait for a while for it to load. So as you can see, you've completed your task for the day. You understand? And you have the next day to complete another task. So it happens every single day. Every single day, all you have to do is click on that to complete and withdraw your money. Do you understand? So we'll go over to me, and I'm going to show you guys how to go about the withdrawal. Or you can also click withdraw here. So select the desired amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, whether TRX, USDT, or the BNB. Do you understand? So I prefer to withdraw the USDT. So you just click on get 20 USDT and then click on the amount. So you input your address and then you click on the password, repeat your password. So when you filled all of this, all you have to do is click on confirm. And that's basically it. Withdraw successful. So all you have to do is wait for them to confirm your withdrawal, which will not take more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I think. So this is basically all you have to do for this platform. You basically don't have to do much. So if you want to earn more and higher on this platform gives at least 15% referral commissions. Do you understand? So what you have to do is refer people who are going to register with your links, and you are going to be earning 15% from their deposit and every amount or every task they complete. Do you understand? So if your downline should deposit, like say 20 USDT, you'll be making at least 2 to 3 USDT from their deposit. Do you understand? And also you'll be claiming from their task they complete every single day. Do you understand? So all you have to do is go to the team, which is at the middle bottom, and your referral link is here. So all you have to do is click on copy and then paste it wherever you want to paste it. You understand? Paste it on all platforms so that people will register with your name, with your link, or refer your family and friends. As long as they use your link, you'll be earning higher. You'll be earning from them. Do you understand? So that's basically it for this video. Stay tuned for the next. And as you can see, my withdrawal is already confirming. So as you can see, 1.6 USDT, which is already pending. Confirmation is pending. So this is withdrawal proof enough. Make your research from this platform. Make your research about this platform, and then make your deposit and start earning from this platform. Do you understand? So yeah.